Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please do not make it your last, because I promise you that on here you're going to learn a whole lot. And to my returning subscribers, thank you all for always supporting and always coming back. So in today's video, as you can see, I have with me papaya leaves, also known as pawpaw, and we are going to be using this to make ourselves a super potent hair growth oil, and it's very self-explanatory, but make sure you listen to what I would be saying while I go on ahead to make this oil. As you can see, I'm just trying to get the leaves off of the stalk because we do not need the stalk. So if you didn't already know, papaya leaves are very medicinal, and they help a whole lot in solving a lot of problems in our body. It's very good for our health. Apart from the fact that it grows our hair massively, it also helps give us relief from so many sicknesses or diseases, which I may not go into because today's video is strictly about hair growth. So you can just go ahead to do some research on some of the benefits of this leaf for our health in general. So papaya is very good for the hair. It helps to prevent balding and promotes hair growth. It contains folic acid and antioxidants, which enhance the circulation of blood, oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicles, and this allows for the growth of healthy hair. Papaya leaves support hair and scalp health, so the application of anything papaya at all is often used to improve our hair growth and scalp health, as it is highly rich in nutrients and antioxidants that are beneficial for hair growth. So now you can see me using my hands to just cut the leaves, to just chop the leaves into smaller bits and pieces, because we need these leaves to be crushed. You can either pound it or blend it, however you want to do it, but we need the leaves crushed. Okay, so when I'm done cutting the leaves or chopping the leaves with my fingers, I'm just going to go ahead to pound it, and then you're going to see the next step. So you can either pound or blend it, but take note that if you choose to blend, do not add any single water. Okay, do not add water while you blend. Just blend the leaves as they are. These are fresh leaves and already contain water, so we do not need excess water because we are making a hair growth oil, right? So I'm done chopping it now, and I'm going to go ahead to pound it, and this is what it looks like after pounding. So let us carry on with the next step. Guys, if you're experiencing hair fall or hair thinning, or your hair is shedding, then trust me, this oil is what you need, and make sure you don't sleep on it. So the next thing I'm going to use is my carrier oil, and for this I'm going to be using mustard oil. Guys, this oil is very good. It's very beneficial for your hair, and I'll be using 1 cup of this oil for our hair growth oil. So for today's hair growth oil, we're not going to be doing the double boiling method, and that is because of the kind or type of oil we're using. Mustard oil is ideal for high heat cooking because it has a high smoke point of around 480 degrees Fahrenheit, which is equivalent to 250 degrees Celsius, and this makes it a common choice for high heat cooking. And that is why we're going to be frying this oil today. We're going to be doing the frying method, like just put it on fire and let it fry on low heat. We always advise low to medium heat so that the infusion will be gradual and it will be slow, instead of just burning our products up at once. And mustard oil is the magic portion for people with hair problems because it is high in vitamin E, antioxidants, omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, and the regular use of this oil on your hair not only stops dandruff and hair thinning, but also stimulates hair growth. So this oil encourages hair growth. It's also an excellent supply of vitamins K, vitamins A, zinc, beta carotene, calcium, iron and magnesium. So we are frying this because no matter how you fry this, it's not going to lose its potency or the nutrients in it. That is why it is mustard oil. Mustard oil also conditions the hair and it improves blood circulation, it maintains healthy scalp, it prevents dry hair, it enhances the overall appearance of hair and prevents hair loss. So you can see that we are done now, so I'm just going to go ahead to filter this after it is completely cooled down. So moving on to more benefits of papaya for our hair, it controls dandruff, and since it contains a high amount of vitamins A and C, it aids in the removal of dead skin cells. It encourages healthy cell turnover and nourishes the hair shaft. So if you've noticed a ton of dead skin and dandruff, then papaya is definitely what you need. And this also conditions the hair. It removes buildup that may have formed on the hair and scalp, which could be causing dull, dry or lifeless hair. So once that buildup is removed, the cuticles are able to open so that moisture and nutrients can be restored to the hair shaft and then shot back so that they are retained. Now papaya leaves also loosens buildup, so dead skin and product buildup are one of the major problems that we have and that causes stagnant hair growth. So when the pores of your scalp are clogged, they don't get the nutrients and moisture that is needed to produce sebum. And sebum is just an oily substance that is produced by certain glands in the skin, and this can cause hair fall, dandruff and even brittle new growth. So this can remove residue including dirt and excess oils from both the hair and scalp, which will leave it feeling revitalized. Now this leaves also promotes hair growth, and the folic acid that papaya contains as well as vitamin C both improve circulation throughout the body including the scalp, okay? And it also nourishes, conditions and protects the scalp, thereby providing a healthy environment for new growth to flourish. Now papaya leaves also support hair and scalp health, so the application of papaya oil improves hair growth and scalp health as it is rich in nutrients and antioxidants beneficial for hair growth. So I want you to challenge yourself, get this oil ready and use it to grow your hair between now and the end of December 2024. It's October 1st and I want you to grow your hair so that by the time you launch into 2025, you're going to enter the new year with fuller, longer, thicker hair. And how you're going to use this is, number one, you're going to use it as a pre-poo treatment. You can always massage your scalp with this oil before you shampoo your hair. Just massage your scalp for about 5 to 10 minutes and don't forget to apply the oil to your strands, okay? Leave it for at least a few hours before washing your hair. And then secondly, you can use it as an oil mask. Just apply this oil twice a week to attain glossy and healthy locks. And the third method is to use it to seal ends. So you can also apply a few drops of this oil to the ends of your damp hair, damp strands, guys, and this will seal your ends and make them manageable once your hair has dried, and it will also prevent split ends and frizz. So that's all about today's video. I hope you learned something new. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.